In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image into a cell in Google Sheets. This skill can be particularly useful for adding visual data or logos directly into your spreadsheet for more dynamic presentations. So, let's get started on making your Google Sheets more visually engaging. First, open up your Google Sheets document. If you don't have one ready, you can start a new sheet by going to sheetsgoogle.com and selecting blank. Once your document is open, navigate to the cell where you want to insert your image. It's crucial to select the specific cell carefully because the image will be embedded right within it, which is different from just hovering over multiple cells. This feature ensures that your images stay neatly organized within the structure of your sheet. Now that you've selected the cell, move to the Insert menu in the upper part of the screen. Click on it, and you'll see several options in the drop-down menu. From here, choose Image in Cell. This option is vital as it locks your image to the cell's dimensions, automatically resizing the image to fit perfectly, maintaining the neatness and usefulness of your spreadsheet. After selecting Image in Cell, a dialog box will pop up, giving you multiple options to upload your image. You can upload an image from your computer by selecting Upload, which allows you to browse files on your device. Alternatively, you can choose By URL if your image is hosted online, or tap into Google Drive or Google Photos if your image is stored in those services. Whichever option suits your setup best, go ahead and select your image. Once you've picked the image, it will upload and populate inside the selected cell. You'll see your image appear, neatly fitted inside the cell boundaries. This precise fit means that no matter how much you adjust the size of the surrounding cells, the image remains contained within its cell unless you intentionally resize that specific cell. Keep in mind, if your image loses clarity due to resizing, it might be worth trying a higher resolution version of the same image. You can replace images easily by repeating the steps, which offers you the flexibility to try different visuals until you achieve the clarity and look you're aiming for. You've now successfully inserted an image into your Google Sheets cell, which can be particularly handy for projects needing a cohesive blend of data and visuals. With this approach, you can better represent data, create charts with live images, or simply enhance the aesthetics of your spreadsheet. Practice this a few times, and soon you'll have even more stunning and effective Google Sheets presentations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made working with images in Google Sheets clearer and more approachable. Happy data visualizing!